the film?
My role in the film, I play the role of Shikha, whose backstory is that of a dancer. She gives up everything to get married to the one she loves, and 8 years into the marriage, she realizes that there's a boredom that is set in, and how she starts finding solace in somebody else. Pretty forward, pretty risque, but the way Anurag has really handled the whole script is commendable. It's so aesthetically shot, even the passionate sequences between Shiny and me. Not for a moment do you feel, oh my God, what is this character doing? Your heart actually goes out to her. And Shikha is someone who's extremely giving, forgiving, and that's the character's name. And a true Indian woman, in every sense of the word. Very independent, a very modern today's girl.
Ma'am, wanted to know your chemistry.
Big Brother. Yes.
So how did
The way I look at it, actually the film should have come out by now. The film got delayed and I had other commitments to keep up, so I had to leave. Yes, I was meant to come back, but then I didn't know that I was going to win Big Brother, so I had to stay back for a lot of other things. But जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, and I think that's worked in favor of Metro.
मैम फिल्म के म्यूजिक के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे.
फिल्म का जो म्यूजिक है डेफिनेटली मेट्रो का यूएसपी है. जैसे मैंने कहा, एम्फसाइज किया गया है कि इस म्यूजिक को अलग तरीके से पेश करें, और प्रीतम ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, काबिल तारीफ काम किया है. ही ट्राइड दिस होल अमालगम ऑफ रॉक, बट एट द सेम टाइम कीपिंग इट एक्सट्रीमली लिरिकल. तो इसका जो बैलेंस है बहुत मुश्किल होता है आमतौर पे, लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत कमाल के तरीके से किया हुआ है ये बैलेंस. और ट्रेडिशनल जो इमोशंस है हमारे पिक्चर में, पिक्चर बहुत मॉडर्न है लेकिन इमोशंस बहुत ट्रेडिशनल है, और उसके बावजूद एक रॉक थीम होना जो एक इंटेग्रल पार्ट है हमारी फिल्म का. द रॉक बैंड प्लेज is a huge character in the movie, and the narrative is through their eyes, through their songs. So that's what makes our film different. तो ऐसे नहीं कि गाने ऐसी पोस्ट हैं पिक्चर में, सारे गाने सिचुएशनल हैं, सारे गाने बैकग्राउंड सॉन्ग्स हैं, और and it's telling a story.
गाने भी सुने हैं, हम सबने सुने हैं, तो आपका फेवरेट गाना इन सब में
बहुत मुश्किल है बोलना कि फेवरेट गाना कौन सा है, because I really love in दिनों, I really love अलविदा, I really love ओ मेरी जान, I love रिश्तो. It's just amazing. बहुत कम ऐसे होता है कि you hear an album and you say it's difficult to choose which is the best song, So that has happened with this. I think the last time I felt this way was Dhadkan, and after that it's definitely Metro.
Tell us about this movie, because before this you was with Anurag Basu, but in gangster. And what about this movie and the character which you are playing?
ये फिल्म जो है, you want in English? Well, this is my second project with Anurag, and earlier we had given a very successful film together. So I think this whole team, me, Anurag, Pritam, and in fact Shiny, it should work again, and we'll be more than happy.
No. The look is quite different from really like.
How did you like it?
It's very good.
Okay. So actually the thing is that you see any of my film, whether it's Gangster, it's Bola Mein, Shakalaka, or Metro, I always, I don't do it deliberately that, okay, I have to shock them again, Just that, when I get into a character, I just try and get into the character's skin, like my character was Neha Ahuja. She's a working girl, she goes to office every day. She can't have long hair, fleeks falling on her face. She has to have short hair, she has to wear tight skirts so that she can run around. So it's just their way of their lifestyle, and the way they function, and how they think, how their personality is. So according to that, it makes things easier for me if I get into their physical appearance as well, their emotional side.
What do you want to say about your colleagues? Again, you are working with the Shiny Ahuja, but again, parallel side, you are with the Shilpa, Irfan Khan. How was the experience?
Well, the experience was amazing. They all are so much senior to me, and whatever they have learned so far, it's been so much pleasure for me, because I just did few shots with KK and all these people. They are like, you can call the gods of acting, and I got to learn so much from them. So I basically want to work with very good directors and actors so that I can just grab and absorb as much as I can.
And what about the music?
Well, it's Pritam is again there. He has done a brilliant job, and he is such hard-working guy, and he is such intelligent and talented human being. I am so happy for him, and I really want to thank him. I'm sorry. I really want to thank him for giving us such brilliant music again, and we hope that it should work for all of us.
Which is your favorite
The
genre?
Metro is trying to deal with lots of things like stress, lust, acting. Which you fit?
Which do?
I mean, like, what is? Where are you fitting in these other things? Like, there are lots of things.
Well, my character Neha Ahuja, she is working in a call center. She has come from out of Bombay, and she is very ambitious, very practical in life. She wants to make it on her own, and then she falls in love with the wrong guy, and then all these emotions, they come stress and all these emotions, they just flow with the story, and I think that is what Metro is all about.
So do you try to deal with a marital affair kind of thing? Because of some promo you could try to make or something like that.
No, it's not basically about a marital affair. It is about a lot of lives, lot of emotions, and it is just flowing in one. In one flow together, and it's just one story. आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि अच्छा ये 3-4 कहानियाँ हैं. ये एक ही कहानी है, लेकिन इसमें किरदार इतने ज़्यादा हैं, इतने ज़्यादा इमोशंस हैं. So it is something very different, and I am sure I can't describe it in 2 lines as I've been trying to do that. But surely you won't be disappointed, क्योंकि अनुराग ने पहले भी इतना अच्छा काम करके दिखाया है, and this time also अगर expect आप उनसे कर रहे हैं कुछ, तो आपको बिल्कुल भी disappointment नहीं होगी.
So what is your experience of a metro city? Like, maybe wherever in Bombay or it could be anything. What's your experience?
Well, I always look at metro cities as a place to work. मुझे जैसे बम्बई को ही ले लीजिए. बम्बई ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है, चाहे वो काम हो, चाहे इज्जत हो. So I just respect this city, and I feel equally responsible for this place, and I think कि अगर हो सका तो हम भी कभी शहर के काम आएंगे.
When you put
धन्यवाद.
emotion and observations into the film, a music director also did something to the film from his side. So that's something about the music of the film.
Music of Metro is a very integral part of the film, and अनुराग जब मेरे को नरेट किया था स्क्रिप्ट, तब बोला था कि इसमें एक बैंड चाहिए. पहले तो हम लोग सोचे कि कोई एक्टर्स लोग परफॉर्म कर लेंगे बैंड की तरह, बट अनुराग डिड नॉट फाइंड इट वेरी रियलिस्टिक, सो ही वांटेड अ रियल बैंड. So this band was formed for Metro, and Metro say kind of we have decided to take this ahead, but it is a part of Metro and it has been formed for Metro. So इस फिल्म का जो म्यूज़िक है वो बहुत ट्रिकी म्यूज़िक था एक्चुअली. क्योंकि ट्रिकी इसके लिए क्योंकि ये एक बैंड का साउंड मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा इसको. इट वाज नेसेसरी दैट इट मेंटेन्स वन complete uniform sound because it has been performed by a band in the screen, and yet it had to be film music. माने ऐसा नहीं कि एक आप अगर कोई एल्बम ले लीजिएगा कि कोई भी ग्रुप कोई भी बैंड का एल्बम ले लीजिएगा तो उसका उनका जो यूनिफॉर्म साउंड होता है उसको आप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज इट्स एल्बम ऑफ द बैंड. बट हियर इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म, सो इट इज competing with other film albums. It has to be as so it was a very tricky thing to pull off, and without Anurag it was not possible. In fact, I wouldn't have committed to anybody without except Anurag on a project like this because he's a close friend. I actually trust him a lot, and I think he'll pull this off very well. And it's a complicated thing, it's a unique thing also. So all unique things are complicated. So I very particularly believe that Metro music is synonymous to entry of rock in Bollywood. If Metro music works, you have to understand that rock has started working in Bollywood. If rock is not working in Bollywood, then because the album I'm very happy with.
Life in Metro according to Shiny House.
Life in Metro is a life with which you want to fulfill your dreams, and it's a life that you choose for yourself, and then without realizing you realize that life has taken away a lot from you in return as well. That's what life in Metro is.
The Metro is trying to deal with lots of subjects. I mean, lots of emotion like lust hai, passion hai, stress hai. Where you fit the bill?
Passion.
Can you just say like how, like what emotion are you trying to do?
Well, I think my character is very passionate about what he wants to do in life. ज़िंदगी में वो क्या करना चाहता है. हम लोग जितने करियर्स हम सब ने चूज़ किए हैं वो एक ज़रूरतों की वजह से चूज़ किए हैं. शायद मैं क्रिकेट खेलना चाहता था ज़िंदगी में, वो मेरा सबसे बड़ा पैशन था, या मेरे को फुटबॉल खेलने का मन था, लेकिन उसको मैं करियर नहीं बना पाया अपना. इसलिए मैंने एक्टिंग चूज़ की, जर्नलिज्म चूज़ किया, एक एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी ज्वाइन कर ली. जो उसका पैशन होता है वो नहीं जी पाता है बिकॉज ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल रीजन, सेवरल रीजंस. कंडीशनिंग, पेरेंट्स कई बार बोलते हैं कि बेटा बड़े हो गए इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर, 4-5 ऑप्शन ही दिए जाते हैं. बट ये कैरेक्टर ऐसा है जो कि बहुत पैशनेट है अबाउट व्हाट ही लाइक्स डूइंग, और वो किसी के भी बिना परवाह करे अपनी ज़िंदगी जो उसका पैशन है वही करता रहता है. और एक दिन रियलाइज़ करता है कि बस अब उसकी ज़िंदगी में वही जो अपना सपना वो जो पूरा कर रहा था वही रह गया, और पूरी इसकी ज़िंदगी एक सपना ही थी. और जिस दिन वो सपना टूटता है तो रियलाइज़ करता है उसके आसपास कुछ भी नहीं है.
Film has an ensemble star cast. How was the experience working with all of them?
Unfortunately, I haven't had a chance to work with anybody in this film besides Shilpa, and it's been wonderful working with her because she's an extremely warm and a friendly person, and we've had a great time shooting this film.
This is the second film with Anurag Basu.
Right.
And how's the entire experience while choosing a role? What is important for you?
I'm doing this film basically because of Anurag. It's as simple as that. We were doing Gangster, and he told me about this film. He told me this is the film he wants to do after Gangster. So he told me that he'd want me to be a part of it, and I said yes, purely without hearing the script, the role, anything, just because he's a good friend of mine and I trust him as a director.
Music of the film is US
Music, Pritam's given really good music. My first mainstream film, Gangster, Pritam had given music for that as well, and that was extremely lucky for me. Yali did really well. And then I did Wo Lamhe, again Pritam did the music. Right now I'm shooting for Bhool Bhulaiya with Priyadarshan. Again the music is by Pritam. So, well, Pritam is in my life and I'd like to wish him all the best. So,
And what's your experience of a metro city, like, you know, where you stay normally, maybe any metro city, where you staying in general?
the city has given a lot to me, Bombay. I came here 5.5 years back with a bag full of 2 t-shirts and 16,000 rupees. So it's given me a lot. It's the kind of city that if you have what it wants from you, it will take it from you and it will not let you leave it. And if you don't, then it will throw you out within minutes or within days. So all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
म्यूजिक के सामने कितना डिफिकल्ट भी था कि जैसा आपने कहा कि सूत्रधार की तरह है ये, तो इमोशन दिखाना है, म्यूजिक को कितना चैलेंज.
थोड़ा मुश्किल था क्योंकि अगर वो आपको जब फिल्म देखें तो फिल्म में मिसफिट ना लगे, और जब आप एल्बम सुने, एल्बम में एज ए बैंड सिर्फ गाना, एज ए सिंगल गाना भी आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगे, तो हाँ डिफ़िकल्ट था. और लेकिन मेरे पास राइटर्स इतना अच्छा, प्रीतम के साथ साथ सईद कादरी, संदीप श्रीवास्तव, अमिताभ वर्मा, इन्होंने इतना अच्छा लिखा है सब गानों को. तो आई थिंक सबने बहुत मेहनत की इस पर.
Murder was a mental affair. You are like it's something like there are more characters,
मैट एक्स्ट्रा मैटर अफेयर नहीं है. और अभी देखिए क्या है, आप औरत के दिल के अंदर झाँकेंगे ना, आपको 100 कहानियाँ मिलती है. और मेरा हर बार यही होता है, आपको क्या मंत्र मिल जाता है, आप उसी को एक्सप्लॉइट करते हैं. तो मेरा मंत्र ही है, आप गैंगस्टर देखें, मेट्रो देखें या मर्डर देखें, टू डीप इनसाइड वुमेन्स हार्ट यू विल फाइंड स्टोरीज.
आपका क्या नजरिया है मेट्रो के टूवर्ड्स दैट? व्हाट हैज बॉम्बे और मेट्रो सिटी आपकी?
बॉम्बे में हम सब ना हमेशा कुछ ज़्यादा के चक्कर में, कोई और बेहतर के चक्कर में पूरी ज़िंदगी निकाल देते हैं. तलाश ख़त्म नहीं होता है, ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो जाती है.